If you're thinking about buying a condo or townhome in Whistler, especially a phase 1 property, then you already know how valuable that flexibility is. Phase 1 means that you can use it as much as you want, rent it out nightly for income, or a combination of the two. More on how that works in the video up to the right. But here's what most buyers don't realize. Not all ski in, ski out phase 1 buildings are created equal, and it's important to know the differences. After helping Whistler buyers for over 27 years, I've seen which buildings are perennial favorites. So in this video, I'm going through the most popular phase 1 unlimited owner use condo and townhome complexes in Whistler Village and at Blackcomb based on what I would actually buy and what it's actually like to own there. Hi, my name is Dean Linnell. I'm a real estate agent here in Whistler, BC, and I specialize in helping buyers invest in Whistler chalets and condos without getting smoked by buying in the wrong location. Okay, let's get into the list, and we're going rapid fire with the best of the best here. This list is entirely made up of all the condo complexes that line the bottom ski slope at Blackcomb. I'd buy in any one of them in a heartbeat. I'm talking about the Aspens, the Woodrun, Stone Ridge, Cedar Creek, and Painted Cliff townhomes. The Aspens is just up the slope from the Fairmont Chateau Whistler. You can ski right up to the gate that opens up to a large courtyard with a huge heated outdoor pool and 3 hot tubs. There's secure underground parking, a ski valet, a ski and bike rental shop, and a dedicated front desk. Now, built in 1994, suites in the Aspens are 1 or 2 bedrooms and may have been renovated already, but you can still pick up units with original finishings if you want to renovate to a more modern or personal style. The Woodrun is my next pick, and it's a pretty tall building with 6 floors in total. That means units on the 4th, 5th, or 6th floors can have pretty epic views over the ski slope and the mountains to the southwest. You can ski right up, and you've got a heated outdoor pool with hot tubs, a nice ski locker and ski waxing room, underground parking, and a beautiful lobby with front desk that can handle your rentals for you if you want. The suites are either 1 or 2 bedrooms with a couple of rare 2-bedroom and den penthouse units in there. Now up next we have the townhomes at Stone Ridge. This complex is slightly hidden when viewed from the ski slope, but rest assured you can ski right to these ones. Being a townhome complex, there's no hot tub or pool, but most of the units have a covered carport, and for the ones that don't, there's ample service parking. Units at Stone Ridge come in a few flavors, from 1 bedroom and den all the way up to large 1,400 square foot 3-bedroom units on 3 levels. Moving on, we go up the slope a bit further to Cedar Creek. Now this is an ultra exclusive cluster of just a handful of large 4-bedroom, 2,300 square foot townhomes with gated underground parking. These units are ultra rare and only come on the market every 5 years or so, and when they do, they're snapped up fast. Next up, we have Painted Cliff. This townhome complex is located just off the upper cul-de-sac of Painted Cliff Road. You'll see them as you go up the Blackcomb gondola. Now there's a common hot tub and change rooms, a huge gated underground parking area, and you've got a good range of choices between 1, 2, and 3 bedroom units from 600 to 1,400 square feet in size. Many have been recently renovated, and they all have great exposure to the sunsets in the west. If you're lucky, you can even snap up one of the units that's right on the ski slope. Now those don't come up for sale very often at all. If you're not sure which Whistler condo and townhome buildings are the best fit for you and your family, that's exactly what I help buyers figure out every single day. So if you're leaning toward one of these phase 1 rental properties, there's one big decision that can make or break your rental success, and that's whether to manage it yourself on Airbnb or go with a professional property manager. In the next video, I'm breaking down the pros and the cons, the real numbers, and what most buyers in Whistler wish they knew before deciding. It's a quick watch, and it could make a huge difference. I'll see you there.